When you buy a house, there are normally two things that you can't change. One of them is location and one of them is the size of the plot. With this property, you wouldn't want to change the location. It's in Empingham, one of Rutland's most desirable villages. With regards to the plot, we've already got a great sized garden, but this property actually extends maybe double, 3 times further just behind this fence. All you have to do is lift the fence panel, clear some overgrowth, and you've got triple the size of the garden. Let's have a look around the house and I'll show you the plot later. When you first enter the property, you come into this really great sized porch with loads of room for hanging space. That leads through into this entrance hall, stairs rising to the first floor, and access to all the ground floor rooms. Just off the kitchen, we have a really interesting area that offers a huge amount of scope and potential. Currently used as a utility room, downstairs toilet and storeroom. To the front, the first floor has views towards open fields, and the upstairs comprises of 3 bedrooms, 2 really good sized double bedrooms and a family bathroom. Now, for the outside space, already a great sized garden with potential to extend over the utility and toilet area. This is the extra bit of garden that we were talking about. Perfect for development into your beautiful home oasis or potential development for a home office, subject to planning. If you'd like to come and see the property in person, please go to eastaway.co.uk, click on the property and click on book viewing.